Today I'm putting the wife outside of her comfort zone. She doesn't really care for running the skid loader in the first place. So I think she needs more practice at it. I'm gonna have her back this thing into the shop. Got to go pick up some more oil, and there's still oil in this, so I got to dump it in the shop. Got the 806 running, had to move it out of the way. Some batteries keep going dead on there. I have to get some new ones, I think. Seems to be charging. I'll guide her a little bit here. You're dragging the jack a little. I'm lazy and didn't flip up the jack. You need to go that way a little. You? That way, yeah. Come on back. I always have a whole bunch of junk in the way. If this video looks a little bit different, it's because I'm filming it from my Galaxy phone. You gotta go to that black tank back there. You know, when you pour concrete, it never goes towards the hole. That's two spots that never go away. It gets kind of tight in here with the trailer. She's doing a good job. Running into some garbage over there too. That's stuff out of my truck. It's getting its annual inspection done right now. That's good enough, dear. Good job, dear. So I've made a couple changes to this tank since the last time I showed about it. I put a pressure vacuum gauge on here and a valve. I apply vacuum to this to draw the fluid into it. I put pressure in to push it out. This has a gauge on here. That's 40% of 500, so there's about roughly 200 gallons in here. I went and took all the propane liquid draw parts out. The pipe is still in there, but I went to, I don't even know what size that is, 2 inch or something, 1.5 inches. That is 1.5 inches. And that works a lot better than small stuff. This hose gets a little stiff being outside. nice just to have a cam lock right on here. I haven't done that yet. Got the short piece of wire. Just stick that in there. Takes a little bit to get enough pressure into that tank to make the oil start flowing. Here it comes. I don't care for that. That looks like water coming. Now we got it pumping, and all we got to do is wait for it to empty out. And the hose will start jumping and stuff. With the gauge on here, there's no guessing how much pressure's in there. It shows there's about 7.5. I still do have the pressure relief on this tank if things would get out of control, but my compressor won't go as high as this tank can handle. Here's what it looks like when it goes empty. We didn't catch it on film. It was a little bit more violent when it first started happening. And it's empty, so I might as well leave out all that extra air pressure into this tank. Because next they'll be getting a vacuum drawn on it. And I probably won't be able to show you guys that. Maybe a different time. Well, I don't know if this was useful to anyone, but join me next time. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless. Come on now. Can she hit the hole? Kind of forced it in there. Didn't hit anything. You want to run them?